Alright guys, we're here at the house. And what you're hearing is some thunder rolls, man. Not intended for Garth Brooks, I know, but just thought I'd put a plug in there somewhere. Alright. Whoa, did you see that? Here, I'm gonna get me up. Something to do real quick. She's talking, dude. She's talking, whoa, there's a good rumble of thunder. Holy Jesus! That was a good one, Jake. You're missing it. Whoa, baby, did you see that, ladies and gentlemen? Whoa! Now it's really starting to show some strength in it. Speak to me, Mother Nature. Come on. Alright. Come on, nature. Now she's really starting to get cranked up. Well, we'll be doing more storm. Whoa. Now it's over that way. It's over there. Alright. I'm staying on this for a while. Got for a few minutes, ladies and gents. Nah. Wow! Oh, baby. It's about to get cranked up, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. We're going to stop at the 3-minute mark and we'll check it out. We will see you later. This is Matt Gore signing off.